Today on the Home Tip Show, we're going to answer the question, why did my gas fireplace turn off when the electricity went out? Let's do it. So you may have heard on the news, right around Christmas Eve, I believe it was, that there was a massive power outage in the central North Carolina area. But I thought, it's no big deal. We've got a gas fireplace. It's a direct vent gas fireplace. Power goes out, we're good to go. Of course, I turned on the power to the fireplace. Requires two switches here, and there it is. You can see the gas turned on. Everything's great. Well, about I don't know, I think it was around 10 in the morning, had the gas log on, and I thought, I know that it required electricity. I knew it did to start, the little starter in there that lights the pilot light. I can't remember the name of it right now, but it was on. Everything was fine. I thought, why does this thing need power? So I left it running and figured everything would be okay. Well, as soon as the power went out to the house, guess what happened? It went out just like that, just like I had shut it off. And I was honestly baffled, completely shocked as to what could have happened. So we basically were without heat the rest of the day. So I'm gonna show you what happened. And just because you have a gas fireplace, a direct vent gas fireplace, does not mean that it's gonna stay on unless you've taken the proper precautions. And here's what you need to do. At least this is a heat and glow. You can take this front off by just lifting this up, getting it out of the way. And if you look, right down here is an empty battery pack, right? For 2D batteries. I don't know all the technical reasons why this goes off, but I'm assuming it has something to do with the safety systems or whatever. But if you haven't ever changed or put D batteries or C batteries or whatever type of batteries your particular direct vent gas fireplace needs in those battery holders, your fireplace will go out when the power goes out. So just to demonstrate that, we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna take two D batteries, place it in the proper slots here. There's one, there's two. Turn back on the fireplace. All right, we're gonna go out to the garage, flip the breaker for the great room so that all power to that area of the house is killed. I believe it's this one right here, family room, wall lights. And if we come back inside, it's still on because the batteries are in place. Watch what happens, however, when I remove one of these batteries. Out it goes. So if you don't have those batteries installed, put it back in. Hey, now remember, power is completely out to this because we've turned the breaker off. We'll flip the switches off and then back on again. And it works normal. So there you go. If you have a direct vent gas fireplace and it has a spot for batteries down beneath it there, make sure you, every year, I guess maybe when you swap out your smoke detector batteries, you consider replacing these batteries as well. They're really important to making sure that you have a warm and cozy house if the power goes out. Thank you for watching the Home Tip Show. If our videos have helped you do something, provided entertainment, or increased your do-it-yourself skills, you can show your appreciation by first hitting the subscribe button. Subscriptions are very important to us and make this channel possible, so please consider subscribing to the Home Tip Show. Second, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. This tells the YouTube algorithm that the video is liked, thus it will prioritize it higher in their search results. Third, you can also ring the bell button, which will remind you within YouTube when we publish new videos. Finally, if you have any comments, questions, or input on this video, or would like to make suggestions for future videos, leave a note in the comments section or email us at thehometipshow@gmail.com. We read and respond to all comments and emails.